Kigali at night feels different. Not rushed, not loud, just calm. In this video, I'm exploring the city after dark, from landmarks, the quiet roads, and the lively streets. As I explore, one thought keeps coming back to me. This city has been through a lot. Rwanda's past is heavy. The 1994 genocide changed everything: families, communities, the entire nation.
Όσοι επέζησαν από τα ρόπαλα και τις ματσέτες διηγούνται με τρόμο μια ατέλειωτη αιματοχυσία.
And yet, standing here now, you don't feel that weight in the streets. You feel something else: order, peace, pride. I have ordered the boda-boda, which is the cheapest means of transportation, and it's a motorbike. They call it boda-boda. So I'm leaving from my hotel now, and it says here that it's gonna cost me around 900 Rwandan francs to get from here to the Kigali Convention Centre. The first rider cancelled the ride, and now I had to wait to get another driver, and so it shows here that he's coming. Oh well, the application doesn't seem to be working for me, and I couldn't get any rider. Even the second rider cancelled. So let me just try to get a random bike to take me there. It's easy to find the boda-boda from the roads. Hello, Kigali Convention Centre. How much? 1,000. Huh? 1,000. Okay. Can you just... Okay. Thank you. Okay, here we go. Kigali doesn't feel like a city trying to prove something. It feels like a city that already know who it is. The roads are clean, people move with purpose, there is a quiet respect for space, for rules, for each other. See the convention center right there behind me. Okay, where's the gate? Right here? Oh, okay. So I just paid the boda-boda guy 1,000 Rwandan francs to come from my hotel to this place, which is not far away. It's just like around 7 to 10 minutes ride. So now let's go to the Kigali Convention Centre. Here's the entrance. Let's go. Okay, so the security told me that I have to go to the reception to get a permission to use my camera to like record anything here at the convention center. So, and he said it's because I have the digital camera. So now I'm heading to the reception to go try to see if I can get the permission. I just hope it's not a difficult thing at all. Otherwise, I'll just have to record with my phone and that's it. Hello.
Any good news?
Good news. You can see the place right here and it's so beautiful. Okay. This should take us to the reception of the convention center. So you can see how beautiful this place is. It's a beautiful place and it's one of the major landmarks here in Rwanda. And you even have an electric car here. Awesome. Okay, so I just came out from the convention center. You can see it behind me there. I'm walking on the streets of Kigali and I'm in love with this city, man. For so many reasons. Like, far away from how clean the city is and how respectful the people are and everything. The people here are camera friendly, like no one attacks you for like filming or anything. You can film in most places in the city and you're not gonna have any problem. You only just get a lot of people stare at you, but nothing serious, you know. I'm in love with Rwanda. You can find the boda-boda everywhere. Can you see how clean it is? Very clean and beautiful. And by the way, this country is a very safe country. How are you? Got a friend here. What do you want? Oh, I'm very sorry, man. Fortunately, I don't have any cash right now. I'm very sorry, man. Sorry. A lot of boda-boda right here. Oh no, maybe they're having a meeting or something. Or probably there is something going on here. Or maybe it's just their usual stuff. Where they just park and wait for some customers. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't have cash. I swear to God, I don't have any cash with me right now. No money. I don't have any cash with me right now. I'll be stopping somewhere in the city to try local food. Nothing fancy, just real food. This is a Sudanese restaurant, and on this street I'm working right now, you can find all sort of, restaurants from different, countries. I've seen Afghani restaurant, Ethiopian restaurant, Nigerian restaurants, like all sort of restaurants are here. So I think this is the part of the city where those foreigners are living in, which defines the reason why you have all these restaurants. And here you have like an Ethiopian, Sudanese, Rwandan, South Sudanese barber shop. And right here is an Ethiopian restaurant right behind me. It's interesting walking around this area. Like you just get the feeling of being in different countries at the same time. One is in Rwanda, but like You get to see a restaurant from Ethiopia, from Nigeria, from Sudan, and so on, which is quite interesting. What? Random girl was just shouting at me. I don't know what she wants. Okay, so we have samosa right here, and it's a very popular thing here in Rwanda. So one cannot come here without trying it. So let's see what they have here. So they have a lot of things, but I'm really curious to try this. They call it sambusa. Hello, hi. This, this, yeah, yeah. Fun. So I'm gonna take one and then probably try something else. Yeah, have good chicken. Yeah, trying a good chicken here. And what is that? That's yeah. What? Sweet potatoes? Oh, okay. Oh, okay. And that one? Yeah. What is it?
Cassava.
It's cassava.
Cassava.
Fried cassava. Oh, okay. Okay. So how much for this?
Manga ita so. 700.
Oh, so guys, I got the what do you call this? The long one. What do you call it? Yeah, yeah.
It's called Mushwatai. But in
Mushwata.
English, I don't know.
Okay, and the other one? What?
Sambusa.
Samsa. Okay, okay. So I got the spring rolls. They call it something else in their language, and the samosa, which what is supposed to be the samosa, they call it samsa. So I'm gonna go try it right now. Is it meat? Is it beef? This is the thing that looks like spring rolls. They said it's a rolled chapati with nothing inside. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, it's just plain, nothing. But it's not bad. I think one should eat it with something like a sauce or something. But without anything, it feels dry and not fun. Next thing I want to go for is this samsa. They call it samsa. In some places, they call it sambusa, and in some places, they call it samosa. Like back in my country, we call this samosa. You can see it's like dry from the outside and then feels soft from the inside. So they said there is meat and eggs inside. So let me go for it. You can see the egg inside. Yeah, this one is definitely better. It's better than the first one. Probably because it has something inside. Mm. And here you can see the meat. They said it's big. I never even see that clearly. Huh? Oh, why? Yazin. Hey, yes. We are from TikTok. Instagram, TikTok. TikTok, Instagram. And for the two, I paid 700 Rwandan francs, which is like half a dollar, like 50 cents. This is a reasonable price, not expensive. Moments like this remind me that progress isn't always about big buildings or fast growth. Sometimes progress is simply people feeling safe enough to live normally. Rwanda chose a different path after tragedy. Instead of being defined by division, it chose unity. Instead of chaos, it chose structure. And tonight, you can feel that choice everywhere. Kigali may not shout for attention, but it leaves an impression. A city rebuilt not just with concrete and lights, but with discipline, vision, and intention. This is Kigali at night, and this is a country that decided to rise.